Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. Today, as you can see, we're going to talk about an 1835 tractor. This applies to most compact tractors, and what we're going to go over today is the removal of the loader and maintenance of the loader. So we'll start quickly with the maintenance. It's pretty easy to see. You've got open grease nipples on all points. You can pretty much see every pin has a hole in it with a grease nipple. You're going to go along. There's 8 grease nipples per side, so left and right, and that's basically it for maintenance on your loader. So the next thing is removal and replacement of the loader. Some people like to take their loader off when they're tilling in their trees and things like that so that the loader isn't interfering with the branches. So first thing we do is we move to the front of the loader here and we remove this little pin. It's going to allow the stand to drop down. You're going to pick a spot. You're going to pick a spot, and for this example, we're just going to use the last hole. We're going to put the pin into that last hole so that this leg is held solid. So the next thing we do is take the quick clip out, and we're going to remove the pin from the loader. And yes, it is safe to do that. The way the design is on the upright, you can do that. So we'll do the left-hand side, and then I'm going to go over to the right-hand side. So then we do the same. We pull the right-hand pin. And you get onto your tractor, and you start it up. Then you're going to gently lower the loader down until the back of that red stand hits the ground. And then you're going to continue to move your loader, and you can see the thing moving away from the loader bracket. And then we're going to take our bucket and we're going to roll it back just ever so slightly to get our loader out of the cradle. After we've done that, we're going to shut the tractor off, and then I'm going to get off of the tractor and we're going to disconnect the hoses. So to put it back on, we're just going to reverse the steps. When you come up, you want to be centered on your loader. Go very slow at this. It's not a good thing to get rammy with. And what you're going to do is line that up with the center of the uprights. It is tapered so that it will slide in if you're not perfect. And you just go up until it touches and then set your parking brake on your tractor. So to reattach, once you have it driven up there, you're going to hook up the hoses and lower it in and put the pins in. Hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.